The tiny, fragrant cumin may already figure in your cooking experiments, whether it's Indian curries, Mexican black bean soups or chili, or Arabic meat barbecues. But beyond its flavor power, cumin is a superfood that features prominently in traditional alternative remedies for a range of illnesses. Here's a look at what that sizzle of cumin can do to keep you in good health. Improves digestion. Ayurveda and other natural therapies put a lot of value on cumin's digestive abilities. The ancient Ayurvedic text Charaka Samhita lists it as a super remedy that helps with digestion and eases stomach pain. Cumin helps improve digestion by increasing bilic acid. It also has a carminative effect, cutting out bloating and flatulence. In fact, the Indian name for cumin, jeeragam, is derived from a word that means digestion. Chew on some cumin seeds if a meal has settled like lead in your tummy. You can also boil a teaspoon of cumin seeds in a cup of water, let it sit overnight, and drink it in the morning to enhance digestion. Helps combat stress. We live in stressful times. And though we've come to accept stress as an unavoidable part of life, it brings about changes in our endocrine, nervous, and immune systems and may be involved in health issues like hypertension, ulcers, sexual dysfunction, and memory loss. But cumin can help out here too. One animal study found that treatment with a cumin extract reversed biochemical changes induced by stress. Researchers have suggested that these beneficial effects of cumin could be due to its potent antioxidant activity. Lowers blood pressure. Another common problem that cumin may be able to address is hypertension. Animal studies have found that administering cumin extracts can reduce systolic blood pressure, the first number in your blood pressure reading, by improving the level of nitric oxide in the blood. Nitric oxide signals the smooth muscle around your blood vessels to relax and, thereby, lowers blood pressure. Lowers blood sugar and improves immunity in those with diabetes. If you're struggling to control your blood sugar, cumin may be able to lend a hand. Animal studies have found that cumin may lower blood sugar by stimulating beta cells, cells in your pancreas that release, store, and produce insulin, to increase insulin secretion. People with diabetes also face a greater risk of infections and complications because the disease can cause immune dysfunction. But cumin may be useful here too, as it may improve immunity. This beneficial effect could be due to the antioxidant properties of cumin, helping counter oxidative stress that contributes to immune deficiency in diabetics. Lowers cholesterol levels. High cholesterol can increase your risk of heart disease and stroke, and, unfortunately, approximately 1 out of 3 Americans suffers from this condition. But research indicates that consuming cumin can lower LDL cholesterol or bad cholesterol and triglyceride while increasing HDL cholesterol or good cholesterol. It is thought that the glycoside saponins in cumin are responsible for this beneficial effect, as they prevent the absorption of cholesterol and increase its excretion in stool. Cancer. Animal studies have found that cumin may have a protective effect against certain kinds of cancer such as colon cancer and liver cancer. This beneficial effect is thought to be due to cumin's potent antioxidant properties as well as its ability to enhance the liver's detoxification enzymes. Spice up with cumin. Wondering how to upgrade your cooking skills to include this amazing spice? Toss cumin seeds on a hot pan till they release a warm aroma and grind them after they cool down. This powder can now be used to flavor soups, stews, and curries. It can even go into salads and bakes. Don't be afraid to experiment. You can also try making a cool glass of jal jeera, a traditional drink from North India that literally translates to cumin water. To prepare jal jeera, pound 2 tablespoons of roasted cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of dry mango powder, and fresh mint and coriander leaves into a smooth paste. Add a couple of tablespoons of lemon juice and you've got yourself a jal jeera concentrate that can be mixed in with water to make a refreshing drink that helps with digestion.